Scalable, we had 206
I'm really grateful that I just stumbled upon this and I chose to attend it because Dr. Balan and her team are doing like a great job.
We're honored to have with us Dr. K.P. Balan, Emergency Medicine Registrar from Perth, Australia.
Dr. K.P. Balan. She made things very easier and then she explained to us step by step.
I got a very good idea about how AMC works especially from KP Balan ma'am.
For organizing this event. I've come a couple of times and every time I've seen new faces and I see you guys online as well. It's great to interact with you all.
It was very informative. KP Balan ma'am, she handled it very well, explained everything thoroughly.
Well, how the procedures go on, which all exams you need to give, what all you need to prepare for, and how the interviews go. Session regarding the AMC is very helpful, and I thank Go Campus and Dr. KP Balan.
It was very good. The orientation program was very good.
What she gave was the right one.
She was very good. She is well experienced, and
I'm very glad I came for it because I actually got the fear of wanting to give the exam and having a little bit clear explanation for it. And I actually thank Dr. KP Balan for it, and I'm very grateful that I came for it.
I had to really appreciate Dr. KP Balan for coming all the way from Australia to help me guide with the AMC2 clinical process.
I am very thankful to my mentor Dr. KP Balan for her guidance. As an IMG, it's very difficult to know what to start and when.
Yeah, I think it was pretty interesting and useful because I got to know the real Australian practices and how to apply the actual Australian guidelines in answering the questions asked in AMC MCQ, that is AMC1, and how to approach different stations for AMC Clinical.
actually I think her to be my role model after this event. The way she speaks, the way she carry out all the carry out herself.
The 3-day session was really helpful with Dr. KP Balan. She really went through all the clinical topics, the important clinical topics.
Hi guys, my name is KP Balan. As some of you guys know me from my previous videos, I am an AMC MCQ and clinical tutor, and I'm also an ED registrar here in Australia. I had a wonderful time and pleasure to have the 4-day course here in Bangalore, where I got to meet on day 1 all the aspiring candidates that are looking to come to Australia. We talked about all the journeys, the pathways, what are the career opportunities, what is the salaries like. Then we progressed on to day 2, day 3, and day 4, where we had a wonderful time to meet the candidates, where I got to interact with candidates that are just starting their AMC journey, looking to start the AMC MCQ journey, their clinical journey. Some of them even had their exam dates and ready to dive in and prepare for the AMC clinical exam. It was an absolutely fabulous experience meeting all those aspiring candidates and seeing them study and also being on the right track. I want to thank Go Campus for the wonderful opportunity and also for setting up such a great platform, and also for creating such a platform here in Bangalore for candidates to come and have this experience and know what an AMC clinical exam is like, what to expect, and what are the examiners looking for in the exam, and all the do's and don'ts for them to prepare for the AMC exam. And also, if they have any questions, they had the freedom to ask us, and that was a wonderful opportunity to answer all their questions. Thank you again, and I'm looking forward to doing more sessions like this again in the future.